Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cast out $95 in my various sinking funds are the mini savings pot for future expenses. I love talking about sinking fund. So let's jump start in and show how to locate every dollar. A sinking fund is a delegated envelope or amount for expenses that you know they are coming up, like car maintenance, back to school. They add up just little by little each time, and it helps you to avoid last minute budget panic. Yes, it does help you avoid budget panic. So if you don't have sinking fund in your budget, I would suggest that you give it a try. Now let's go ahead and count the money. As you can see, let's see if I truly have $95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So my ones are 40. So that's $40. Then I have 2, 3, 4. So that's 45. So that makes it 85. 80, yeah, more than, let me see, then 20. So that makes it 105. So I got it wrong. I'm cast staffing 105, not 95. I think I count the money wrong previously, but that's okay. That's how much we are going to put in our envelopes right now. So let's go ahead and let me show you the envelope. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, you guys know this is my sinking fund wallet. For those of you who are new here, thanks for joining me. I have a lot of sinking fund, and I always tell people you don't have to have this much of sinking fund. I have 16 envelopes. That's a lot. But I have a big family. That's why it seems that is a lot. But to look at it, I have 6 kids at school. So I have a lot of birthdays. We are 10 people. So just imagine all those things. And I'm saving also for each person. So in case I have to go buy something, I'll just take it in the envelope. And I also pay my kids like maybe every 2 weeks when they do their chores very well. Like throughout the 2 weeks, if they do their chores very well, they do get paid as well. So now let's go ahead and do this cast staffing. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm excited to have you here. For my new subscribers, thank you. For my OG, I love you guys so much. So I did change something in my budget. I was supposed to do my cast staff with 178, but something happened and I only have 105. That's okay. We are just going to still budget whatever we have, right? That's how I love doing my budget, because I can twist it in my own way, especially when it comes to sinking fund variable expenses. So my birthday is getting $2 today. Back to school is just getting $2. It's very cold here. I don't know where everybody is. Here, I live in Indiana and it's really cold. Vast Day is getting $2. Family fun is getting $2. Lesson is just getting $2. For my self-care, I'm just adding $2. Christmas, I'm not adding anything. For my trash and my HMO, I'm adding $5. For my RX envelope, I'm getting $5. For my car, they are getting $5. House maintenance, $5. Car registration, $5.
Hi, Cassie.
Leaf collector is getting $5. Miscellaneous is getting $5. Social media, I'm gonna put $5. Other holidays, I'm gonna put $5 as well. Like almost all of them is getting $5. Normally I would do 10, but like I said, I have something coming up, and for some reason the money I was supposed to put in my sinking fund wasn't enough, but we still have something to put here. So now let's dive into my family one. That one, everybody is getting $2 every paycheck. Everybody get $2. I get $2. My husband get, the kiddo get $2. My mom, my sister, and the kids also get $2. So in case we go somewhere or in case we are doing something, everybody has their money and I don't have to get struggle with the budget. My mom get $2. My sister get $2. Fia get $2. Percy get $2. That's my big boy. My firstborn. Now I get $2. I really get $2. $2. Junior is my last baby. No more babies. So also get $2. Okay, then now let me go to this one. So for this one, today I'm going to do 25. At the end, I'm going to get $500 when I'm done with this challenge. So that's 25. Let me color it instead. So 20. 25. And for the pedicure, I'm doing $3 today. And this one at the end, I'm supposed to get $150. Okay, so that's all for my singing fun. I love my singing fun. I do love my singing fun. So we are not done allocating all this money into the sinking fund. It may seem like it's not a lot, but consistency is the key. Like every paycheck, I make sure I put something in there. And this envelopes, trust me, has been the envelopes that is preventing my financial stress and always keep me out for prepared. So if you find this video very helpful and you know that this sinking fund can better your budget, I want you to like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my video. And I want you to comment below what sinking fund that you prioritize each month. For me, I do cast off all of them, so I don't really prioritize this one or that one, but I think one of these days I have to look into it and say which one is really important. Yes, so thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.